Ooh, what day is it?
Friday? Friday? I miss Monday. I miss Monday! Was I sleeping for 5 days? What's up, world? Welcome to a new week. On this channel, you can expect to see weekly vlogs, filmmaking, fitness, and music. So if you like any of those things, make sure to subscribe, hit that notification button to know whenever I drop a new video, and if you like this video, punch that like button like your name was Rocky Balboa. Boom, boom! Alright, so you may or may not have woken up Monday morning expecting to see a new vlog from me, only to find out there wasn't one. A new vlog today by Josh K. YouTube, what in the world? No vlog! Where's the vlog? He said every Monday there'll be a new vlog. It's Monday, there's no vlog. How does Josh K sleep at night? Probably on a bed of lies. The reason why I didn't release this video on Monday is because I'm still trying to figure out the balance of perfect and done. Not everything has to be perfect, but it does have to be done. But we're not hopping off this Monday schedule. We're just gonna dust ourselves off and try again next week. I love life. So in this video, I wanted to show you guys me and Jake's epic road trip across the UK. We went from city to city, going on some awesome adventures. A little bit of a backstory, me and Jake have an ongoing ping pong rivalry. So we thought, let's make this road trip a little bit interesting, throw a little competition in the mix, and claim territories based on ping pong wins. Listen, me and Jake are by no means professional table tennis players, but we do enjoy a good competition every now and then. All right, well, I hope you guys enjoy this competitive road trip across the UK. Oh. We in London, baby. Waiting for Jake. So what's up? My man. Jake Smith. How you doing? We're going to Manchester. It's a long drive. Why do you have Tom's tank engine? Emergencies! How many times I'm gonna beat you? Very fitting.
I don't actually know if we need catch.
Or should I say,
you're celebrating after the first quarter.
Champion, my friend.
You're doing an Atlanta. Calm the celebrations, turn the fireworks off.
Take one.
I was fully confident given my record against this man.
Okay, that's a lie. In the long run, I am definitely beating Jake.
I'm not sure. Where's the video evidence?
We play ping pong like everywhere we go, everywhere we travel. You know what we should start doing? We should start claiming territories based on who wins in ping pong.
Alright.
Alright, I know I have Schenectady.
Alright.
You've got Manchester. Alright, so Jake has claimed Manchester. Every city we go to, best 4 out of 7. Who won in Montreal? Me? No, it wasn't. Ooh, I need to find out. What's the difference?
I like a little bit of spin.
Everything.
Get it?
Yeah. Ridiculous. This one. We'll play in Liverpool.
I swing by my work and pick up my paddle on the way home.
You ready?
We got a nice rooftop view. We just got the hookup. This place is sweet.
Got it.
I lost a Liverpool Time to head to the Leicester City game. First UK football experience. So Jake's mom just made us a traditional, what, like
quick English breakfast if you like.
cob, right?
Cob,
Sausage,
tomato and butter.
sausage, tomato, and butter. Of course,
The tea. You need a tea.
English tea. Let's do this. Come on. Successful day over here at King Power Stadium with a win for the boys in blue. First English football experience.
We don't take L's.
Don't take L's, no L's.
He's frustrated.
All right, we're leaving Jake's house.
Hi. Hello.
We're going to Anglesey. Little road trip. Cheers. All right, we made it to Ainsley. We made it to Anglesey. Anglesey? Anglesey. Anglesey.
Anglesey.
Anglesey. We made it to Anglesey. I say it right? Nice. Yes. All right, we're gonna try to get this drone footage. It's pretty windy out here, but hopefully I don't lose my drone. When we were driving, we were coming down this road right here, and we ran into this. That's why we didn't cross. They closed off the bridge, so we're not able to cross it, but we're gonna see if we can get some drone footage. We ain't going down there. We didn't book a room.
Newsflash. We're homeless.
I know where we could go.
How would we get there, Josh?
All right, let me tell you how. First, climb over that gate. Those little chains over there, you monkey across underneath the spikes, climb up on top of the gate, climb on top of the bridge, all right? Monkey on down through those chains that are attached to the ground, and bam, you're solid. Once you get across, it's gonna be easier to get over here because the chains on that side are attached to the ground.
Let's go.
Let's do it. That's the lighthouse over there. You can't see it because it's so dark.
6:30.
Doing long exposure. That's the magic of long exposure, guys. It's beautiful. Pretty.
Alright guys, so we are in Oxford. Yes, like the university. We're not coming here for a degree. We're coming to play some ping pong and claim some territory. So we're gonna see how Jake does in Oxford. Because I already like this town. I like it a little too much to be giving it to Sir Jake Smith over here. This is it. This is it. Is Jake gonna go undefeated?
Yep.
In the UK? Will I claim some territory tonight? We will find out tonight. It goes down in Oxford at the Big Society. Oxford. It's your boy, what's up? Bro,
This game you can have the whole of the UK.
Huh?
This game you can have the whole of the UK.
He's putting it on the line.
That's all I know.
All of the UK on the line right now.
Come on.
Oh, come on, come on. Oh, no!
I was stupid because I was out of form in the last, like, the back of that game.
It was a good bargain for me. One game, and I could have claimed all of the UK, but this man took it, so. All right, guys. Well, that's it. That wraps up the Josh versus Jake European World Tour Ping Pong Championship. What continent is next? We got North America claimed. We got UK claimed. You let us know where you want us to travel. Yeah, that's it. You let us know where you want us to travel, and that's where we're gonna go next. All right? The comment with the most likes is gonna get an appearance from me and Jake. We're gonna have
And it can't be anything ridiculous like it. Like, the North. Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Is he going back home?
All right, it's coming back.